daily routine a simple, calm, and motivated life. Every day is a fresh page. Some days flow with ease. Others feel heavy. But what keeps me grounded is routine. Not a perfect one. Not one built for Instagram. Just one that helps me feel alive, calm, and in control. Today, I'll take you through my daily routine. From the moment I wake up to when the world goes quiet again. A routine built around intention, balance, and a little self-discipline. Morning routine. My day starts at 6 a.m. Not because it's trendy, but because those first hours feel like mine. Before messages, before meetings, before noise. The first thing I do? Open my curtains. Let sunlight spill in. Even if it's cloudy, I want to remind my body that a new day has started. Next, I drink a glass of water. Nothing fancy, just a habit that wakes me up better than coffee. Then I take 10 minutes of silence. No phone. No music. Sometimes it's meditation. Sometimes it's just breathing deeply and letting thoughts settle. After that, I make my bed. A small act, but it's the first win of the day. And it sets the tone for everything else. At around 6:30 a.m., I head out for a quick walk or light workout. Some days it's stretching. Some days it's a jog through quiet streets. Movement reminds me that energy is built, not found. By 7:15 a.m., I'm back home, ready for a cool shower. That feeling of water hitting the skin, it's like pressing refresh on my mind. I often use this time to think about one thing I'm grateful for. Then I get dressed, simple clothes, nothing overthought. I believe confidence comes from clarity, not outfits. Breakfast and planning. By 8 a.m., it's breakfast time, my favorite part of the morning. I make something light but nourishing. Usually oatmeal with fruit, or eggs and toast depending on the day. While I eat, I plan my day. I don't write long to-do lists anymore. Just 3 priorities. 3 things that will make me feel accomplished if I finish them. Then, I open my journal for a few minutes. Sometimes I write about how I feel. Sometimes I just list what I'm grateful for. It's a small ritual that helps me stay grounded before diving into the chaos of the day. By 8:30 a.m., I'm ready to begin work. Calm, caffeinated, and clear on what matters. Mid-morning to lunch. This part of the day is all about focus. From 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., I do my most important work. Whether it's writing, editing, designing, or building something new. I try to keep mornings distraction-free. I keep my phone away, my desk clean, and my energy steady. Whenever I feel my mind drifting, I remind myself. Consistency is quieter than motivation. Around 12:30 p.m., it's lunchtime. I usually prepare something simple. Rice and vegetables, a bowl of salad, or home-cooked curry. Eat slowly. No screens. This is when I like to step outside, feel the sun, maybe take a short walk. I try to remind myself that productivity isn't just about working. It's also about knowing when to pause. Afternoon and evening. The afternoon is my flexible zone. From 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., I handle lighter tasks, replying to emails, meetings, or creative brainstorming. Sometimes I take a power nap for 15 minutes. It's amazing how much energy a short break can restore. By 6 p.m., I shift gears. I close the laptop. That moment, when work ends and life begins, is sacred. I like to step outside again, maybe meet a friend, visit a nearby cafe, or watch the sunset from my balcony. These little rituals remind me that life happens outside screens too. As the light fades, I feel the day slowing down, not in a sad way, but in a peaceful one, like the world whispering, "You did enough for today." Dinner and night routine. Dinner is around 8 p.m. Simple, warm food. Usually something that feels like comfort. I keep this time relaxed. No rusing, no multitasking. Sometimes I eat with family or watch something light. Sometimes I just sit quietly with my thoughts. After dinner, I make a cup of herbal tea and start slowing my body down. I dim the lights, put my phone on silent, and stay away from screens as much as possible. This is also when I reflect on the day. What went well? What I can improve tomorrow? Not with judgment, just gentle observation. At 10 p.m., I begin my night routine: brushing, skincare, and a few minutes of reading. Books calm me down in ways that scrolling never could. By 10:30 p.m., I'm in bed. Some nights I sleep immediately. Some nights, I stare at the ceiling, grateful and curious about the next morning. And that's my daily routine. Not a perfect one, but one that keeps me balanced between ambition and peace. If you're trying to build your own routine, start small, one habit at a time. Because discipline isn't about doing everything. It's about doing the right things consistently. Thanks for spending the day with me. Here's to calm mornings, intentional days, and peaceful nights. Clapperboard, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own daily routine in the comments below.